all you crazy cats and kittens. um, just a Tiger King reference for you. We're going to do the shout outs now, so I'm super excited. And we'll just get started. So, shout out to Suhani for her amazing farm charts. They saved me. Shout out to Anna Deloach for always encouraging us and reminding us that we're going to get through this together. Your honesty and positivity is so much appreciated. Shout out to Becca Mortensen for being so helpful and sweet. Shout out to Anna Deloach for being someone I can talk to about anything. She is a great listener. Shout out to Sarah for checking in on me. You are the best. Shout out to Kyle for your uplifting texts. Always make my day better. Shout out to Tim Wang for keeping me laughing and entertained with the daily Zoom background changes. Shout out to Sahani for being the Dropbox queen. Shout out to Kate and Kristen for being funny, genuine friends who are sweet and supportive during this time that's tough on all of us. Shout out to Shannon and Davis and others who have spoken up with positivity even against the collective frustrations of Zoom and testing. It takes bravery to do so, and I salute you. Shout out to all of us for being so great at muting ourselves during lecture this week. Shout out to Stephanie for that dope avocado blanket. Shout out to Tyra and all the DMS leaders. Thank you for putting in so much effort to create a budget that allows our class to have an awesome graduation party and other great events throughout our time in school. Shout out to our professors. And this person kind of wrote something about our professors that I really enjoyed, and I'm going to put everything that they wrote directly below this video, so please read it afterwards. I enjoyed it, and I think it's very positive and true. And then shout out to Davis for thank you for being a leader and reestablishing positivity in the GroupMe with your message. And then shout out to Jack. Thank you for making Quizlets and always sharing them with the class. Way to be selfless. Shout out to Joe for being a great roommate and friend that has helped me keep my sanity throughout all of this. Shout out to Behitran for raising all that money for the kids and their families a few weeks ago, and shout out to everyone who donated. Shout out to Sydney. When she used that funny analogy about lemons, you really can choose whether you want to make sour lemonade or use it to clean and make everything nice and sparkly. Thank you for making my days nice and sparkly. Let's see. And you always make me laugh like crazy. And then shout out to Kristen. She gives great compliments to people and does an awesome job uplifting and keeping things positive. Shout out to Tara for always having a positive attitude. You are awesome. Shout out to right side third row for the virtual handshakes before every test. Miss sitting next to you guys. Shout out to Jack for making some fire Quizlets. They are so helpful. Thank you. Shout out to Davis again for taking the risk to share his views and help the class. The words were thoughtful, helpful, and appreciated. Preach. You're awesome, brother. Shout out to Tyler for his facts of the day on the whiteboard. Shout out to Lindsay for putting so much work into our weekly emails. Thanks for helping to motivate and keep us all on track. And then shout out to Becca Mortensen. Such a trooper. Feel better. And then shout out to Anna Deloach for giving a good summary in pharmacology when we were all confused. Shout out to Raul for keeping the streets safe at night. It directs me to wink, so I hope you enjoyed that. And shout out to Madeline for being a great friend and caring for people so well. And shout out to Lucy for creating Zoom Bingo for even more entertainment during class. Thank you guys so much for participating in doing these shout outs. I hope they're really encouraging for everyone going through this time. And I hope we guys